I'm in Yarm, a small town near Middlesbrough. Behind me is Yarm Bridge, which isn't supposed to be here. It has outlasted the bridge that was meant to replace it by over 2 centuries. It was built in 1400, connecting Yarm to Egglescliffe. During the Civil War in 1643, Royalists destroyed the northernmost arch and replaced it with a drawbridge to stop parliamentary forces from crossing towards Stockton. Then, in 1771, the bridge survived one of the worst floods on record in the northeast. Yarm's High Street was under 20 feet of water, and 9 people died. Though the bridge had survived, its narrow piers had blocked the floodwater from passing through, making the flooding significantly worse. By 1803, the decision was made. The old bridge was only 12 feet wide, too narrow for the traffic, and its piers were still choking the river. So a new single iron span would solve both problems at once. The engineer they hired was Thomas Wilson, the man behind the Wearmouth Bridge in Sunderland, which had opened in 1796 and was considered one of the wonders of the industrial age. It would be 250 tons of iron and a single 55-metre span. It was completed in September of 1805. Unfortunately, they hadn't finished the approach road on the Yarm side, so the new iron bridge sat there all winter waiting to open. On the night of the 13th of January 1806, it collapsed into the river. The abutment on the Yarm side had failed. The most celebrated bridge engineer in the region had produced a bridge that fell down before even a single member of the public was able to cross it. Fortunately, the old stone bridge was still standing. It was widened and brought back into service in 1806, and it hasn't stopped since.
We're going viral.
I hope so.